So it's my birthday in 2 days, and Margarita organized the trip for the rest of the week, and I have no clue where we're going. When we were having dinner, we could hear a sound of a baby crying. I was really needing a coffee. So today is the 26th of January, which is the public holiday in Australia, and we use it to get some days off because it's my birthday, so I always have a birthday trip now. I think we've told you this before on a trip that we made a few years ago to Brisbane, and I'll link the video up here. The cabin's that way. So this was the place Margarita booked for us. Nah. So this tiny house is located at the south coast of New South Wales in a place called Foxgrounds, which is very close to Barrie or Gerringong. It's kind of a hidden place, but it was very easy to find it with all the directions that the owners gave us. So if you're looking for a very secluded spot surrounded by bushlands, this is the place for you. It's still very close to Sydney and the major town centres, so it's perfect. The outdoor features this nice fire pit, so you can make some s'mores with your friends. A nicely sized deck with a table and a couple of chairs, a barbecue. But what really caught our attention was that nice outdoor shower. So the design is very simple and stylish. It reminds us of Japanese or Danish architecture. And the combination of this dark timber and the black steel really works very well. Now let's get to the inside. So as soon as you enter, you have the kitchen and the bed on your right hand side. Everything is super matchy and minimalist. The black and the timber continue on the inside. As you can see, the walls are made of plywood. The kitchen cabinets are black, as well as like the doorknobs, which gives it a kind of cabin in the woods feel. So the kitchen features everything you need. A 2-burner cooktop, a microwave, a fridge, and every utensil you will need. This is really satisfying. Look at this. But our main and our favorite feature in the house is this window up here, which has the shape of the tiny house and provides a view to the bushland that surrounds it. The tiny has plenty of storage. We could fit all our luggage and our gear in these 2 drawers underneath the bed. And if you have anything else, there's this little nook up there where you kind of can fit like a big suitcase or whatever. So this tour finishes with a bathroom, which carries through the minimalist style of the tiny. It has everything you need, from a shower, a decent sized shower, a vanity, a composting toilet, and most importantly, a nice view. So making a barbecue for dinner.
In the rain.
Yeah, it was kind of drizzling. Yeah, Margarita is pretending like she knows how to barbecue.
Because you know
Yeah, I don't
better
know.
than me.
I don't know. So Margarita was saying that the Brazilians eat like the grilled pineapple with sugar, but I have no idea. Are you positive about that, Margarita?
Not sure.
What do you guys think? So this is, well, I don't remember the name in English, but this is veggie sausages for me. This is meat for Margarita.
Pork.
We also have grilled pineapple, 2 portobello mushrooms, and grilled pepper. Yeah. Yeah, it's very quiet and peaceful in here. Also, when we were having dinner, we could hear a sound of I mean, it pretty much looked like a baby crying, but it was some kind of animal, which I think it was a koala bear. Is it a koala bear? Well, koala. And because like a few years ago someone told us that baby koalas sound like babies crying, but Margarita thought it was some cat complaining or whatever. Not our cat, it was definitely not our cat, which is currently exploring the house. I think because it's very dark, I think we're probably going to sleep, and we probably will wake up in the morning like at 5 a.m. or whatever. Yeah. Anyways, have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow.
Já chega, não?
Oh, what about this one? Oh, okay.